My name is Francesca Levitt, and I am a clinical nurse specialist and have been in this role for the last 10 years. A clinical nurse specialist is an advanced practice nurse with a master's, and we work within 3 spheres of influence: in the patient sphere, in the nursing sphere, and at the organization or system sphere. So for patients, it would be working with complex patients. With the nursing sphere, a nurse might say, "Hey, Francesca, can you come take a look at these labs? What do you think might be going on? Can you take a look at this patient?" At the system or organization sphere, it is really more complex problem solving and more systems issues where I might be able to help with process improvement. I think the thing that makes me smile the most is that there are times when I'm in a situation, maybe getting ready to do a procedure or something, and I ask if they would like to have prayer. And so we take an opportunity to hold hands and to pray together. And I think what happens is where 2 or more are gathered in His name, then you have an incredible sense of the Holy Spirit, and there's nothing like that in this world. That's what makes me smile. So I think back of, the legacy of St. Vincent, and it started with St. Vincent de Paul and Louise de Marillac, and how they had a vision in Paris, and how they had this sense that it was important to meet the needs of the poor and the vulnerable, and how that developed into the Daughters of Charity, and how they made a decision to come to America and specifically come to Indianapolis. And when I think about that legacy, we are part of that legacy. And so I feel a sense of responsibility to carry on that legacy. I'm a very gregarious person, and I like to be with patients. And so it's an opportunity to combine science and people skills, and to really, as every day goes by, I feel like I'm where I'm supposed to be, and it feels more of a calling, more of a vocation than it does a job. I mean, who wants to be in a hospital all day? But I walk in here and it's like my second home.